Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add product links or any link to a product description on your Shopify store. This is super useful if you want to link to related products, size guides, external tools, affiliate links, supplier info, or even helpful blog posts. So basically, we have two ways to do that. We have the direct method, which is going to be consistent of heading over the product description itself from the products here on the admin dashboard. This is usually the fastest method and works great for beginners. So you're going to head over the products like that. We're going to add a new product, for example, shirts. Let's say here like that you're going to have shirt test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, until like this, and you're going to start adding your media, for example. I don't know here like that, put the price, and boom. At this point, you'd normally be setting everything up. Images, price, inventory, just like any normal product. Now we are going to head over description, for example. Link here, for example. We are going to select the here, for example, or highlight the text that we want to link and click on Insert Link. This is the preferred way because it keeps your description looking clean and professional while still giving customers extra information. And for example, HTTP, for example, or Canva www.canva, for example, .com, and you're going to let it as it is. You can open it on the same window or choose to open it into a new tab. And this is the first step. Choosing Open in New Tab is usually better, so shoppers don't accidentally leave your store. So you're going to click on Save when you head over your theme, or you click on your store, for example. Here I accept or reject, doesn't matter. So on the description you have link here. You open it and it is going to open up the link that you have. As you can see, it works instantly. No coding needed and totally beginner-friendly. But now the second method is going to be heading over theme. Click on Edit Theme, select your product, double tap on it, and you're going to find the product page. This method is more customizable and gives you extra control if you want links somewhere outside the description. Now we are going to be back right there within the template and add a section. This section is going to be a text, for example. Let's see here, normally the product information is going to be having something like that. So we are going to add a new block. And this block is going to be a little heading. So you can go ahead and have this, or I think that this is it. So we can go ahead and have new arrivals, for example. And then we can go ahead and click on Insert Link here. This is great if you want to promote featured products, special offers, bundles, upsells, or anything you want customers to notice. For example, you can go ahead and either make it as an internal link or an external link. For example, like that canva.com. And boom, you can go ahead and insert it just like that, and it is going to be clickable link. Internal links help keep people browsing your store longer, which is really good for conversions and SEO. External links are useful for resources, tutorials, or downloads. So when you click on Save, you're going to exit this place. Take a look to your website and visit your menu and head over here. This is a new arrival. When you click on it, it will take you to Canva as example only. This proves everything is working exactly as expected. So that was pretty much it on how you can insert links within description for products. It was Android description for the next or the second method. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one. And if this was helpful, make sure to practice it on a test product first so you feel confident before using it on live products.